Hola BBs, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy Veganuary! Yay! I like to describe myself as almost vegan. I know what I said. I'm just like snuggled comfortably right in between vegetarian and vegan. And if that makes you angry, then this channel is probably not for you. Today I have decided that we're gonna do a fun, quick, super easy vegan recipe that everyone is gonna love. I can guarantee it myself, but if you don't like it, just take it up with YouTube. As you may know, I was just a young, little Ecuadorian chickpea who grew up in the United States. And I consider probably one of the most American things about me was my love for buffalo chicken wings. That's why today we're gonna make the next best thing. Crispy buffalo cauliflower bites. Tried and tasted by a former chicken lover herself. Words that I did not think I would ever use to describe myself. All right, BBs, let's get started. Step one, you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna want to line a oven tray with parchment paper, or if you're a sustainable gal like I am, you can use this basically reusable parchment / aluminum paper. It just like kind of lives on top of my oven tray, and we just wash it and reuse it, and it's fab. You want it to be not as thick as like pancake batter, but obviously not watery. Next order of business is to prepare the tortilla chips. Try not to get distracted like me and eat all your tortilla chips before you get to this part. Would not recommend. You can also crush your chips in like a food processor depending on how fine you want them, but both of these ways work fabulously. So the next step involves the real MVP. The recipe says, dip each one of these into the batter. No. We're just gonna pour all of these in the batter, basically. My tip for this step is just make sure that every inch, every little surface of the cauliflower is covered in the batter. Another thing you can actually do is just stick it in like a Ziploc bag and toss them that way. Then you're gonna wanna put them in the tortilla chips and cover. Now tell me these don't look like little chicken nuggets. Now comes the most important part. The hot sauce. Technically the recipe says to get one of those little brush things to coat the buffalo sauce evenly. I don't have one. So we're just going to kind of drizzle it all over, trying to toss it up and make sure everything gets covered. I'm just gonna bake them for another 15 minutes with the buffalo sauce, and they're gonna be about done. So because I did them in the Ninja, I think the second cook could have been slightly shorter. They are very, very crispy, and I'm definitely gonna put more buffalo sauce on top. Now you just plate and serve. Moment of truth. I mean, I have had these before, so I know that they're good, but they're so crispy on the outside, and they're still soft on the inside. Woo! that is all, my friends. I hope you liked this video. Like I said, tried and tasted by a true ex-buffalo chicken lover. Try it out, let me know what you think. Of course, remember to hit subscribe if you're still here. Like this video, it helps me out a ton. It helps this channel grow. And if you want to follow me on social media at Andrea_Caterina, you can find all fun things about my majestical, daily, sustainable life. I will see you guys next time. Bye. This is so good.